Hi, this is Judge Harry Bowden with Child Support Court Vodcast. Make sure you go to childsupportcourttv.com. Check out the new videos, our sponsors, and get to Ask Judge Harry, where you can call in every Tuesday from 9:30 to 11 and ask Judge Harry. Thank you for being a loyal viewer of Child Support Court, the Vodcast, with Judge Harry Bowden.
GetMyBabyMoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
Hi, welcome back to The Chamber and Child Support Court Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. Thank you for coming back. Now, the last time you were here, we discussed several topics of very, very important information. What is child support? We talked about what it is, what it's not, and we expanded the definition of child support. We talked about where can you get information about the child support process? What are the guidelines? We talked about if you pay child support, do you automatically get to visit with your child? And we said, no. You remember that. And the last thing, if you're not currently receiving child support, where can you go to begin the process? Well, that's at our sponsor, GetMyBabyMoney.com. But today we're going to deal with an issue of extreme importance. And that is, how long does this process take? How long does it take to get through my application? Well, let's start off with the realities. Child support applications with the Department of Children's Services can either be 19 pages, 22 pages, or 35 pages, depending on your status. Okay, so you know that. It can be pretty lengthy. But the question is, how long will it take to process my application? Let's think about that. Does it really matter how long? The question is, when will you do it? Now, why did I go there? Yeah, I went there. Because, ladies and gentlemen, while you are contemplating, thinking, finding, trying to remember, or, just don't know whether or not you want to go through that long process, your baby need their money. And the question is, why are you waiting? Now we're getting to an issue of personal responsibility that you have as a parent, as a CP custodial parent, to see that that child gets what they need from whom they deserve it from. What? Yes, who they deserve it from. But you say, what? Child support? In the form of what? Food stamps? Excuse me. That raises a heavy question. Is the government responsible to feed your child? Oops. Really? Are you relying on Uncle Sam to make sure that you have what you need for your child? Now, it's great that that support is there. It's great that you're able to go to that avenue. But is it the responsibility of the government to make sure that your child is fed? And the answer is, when you don't, it is. Because they are the least of us, but the greatest of us, because they cannot do for themselves. And the responsibility is first and foremost on the parent. And when the parent does not do what they're supposed to do, then the government will stand in. So we get back to this question: how long does the process take? The answer is, what does it matter? The real question is, why you ain't done nothing? What? It takes so long. Really? Well, how long does it take when you don't do nothing? Come on, I got 5 minutes. Let's see how. Getting married has been made easier. Don't wait. If you are in love, get your wedding ceremony performed virtually or in person at one of our many locations. Get your nuptials in no time. Now you have a friend in the wedding business. Go to streamingvows.com today. But you understand my point. How long will it take to process my application? It takes as long as it does. The point is to start it. Get up. Get up. Go to the computer. Go to the internet and sit down, pull it up, and starts with an R, ends with a D, read, and start your application off. If you don't do it, go to a place that will assist you. Go to them. They have people, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes, the workers in these agencies who are responsible to assist you through the process, but they cannot assist you if you're not there. And when you are there, they're there to help you, to serve you. You should remember that and be respectful and be patient and remember what Grandmama told you. Be nice, and you will get something done. Because one of the things that they have to help you with is our next issue: locating and verifying the non-custodial parent. Well, I know who he is. Okay. What's the street address? Down there it's Rankin Street, and it's no, I don't know nobody on Rankin Street, but it's Rankin Street, and it's the last house on. Come on, guys. I'm originally from Atlanta, and I'm familiar with the directions that we give. You go down there to the Big Chicken, you take a right down there, and then you see a big plaza, and it's like right. Find out the address. You went there, didn't you? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go there, but you were there when the deed was done to get your son or daughter. In other words, we're talking about responsibility, locating. Because if you can't locate them, how do you expect them to locate them without some valid information? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. We expect you to be here next time. Don't you miss an episode of Child Support Court, the Vodcast, with Judge Harry Bowden.